DDG3250, Identity Design, Week 5. Okay, gang, Week 5's upon us. We're about a third of the way through the semester. Hard to believe, but we are. Great job on the nonprofit brand redesign. Great job on the sub-brand design. I've enjoyed the identity packages. And now we're moving on to Week 5. So let's go ahead in the coursework, Week 5 and 6 folder, and we'll talk about the designs for this week. We're in Chapter 3 in your Designing Brand Identity textbook. We're going to do a little learning activity and a big project. And we'll also take a quiz on Chapter 3 this week, so don't forget about that. So as with any week, you'll see that we have some case study and some design collections and some different videos you might want to watch to feed your brain a little bit. But this one's all about the charity branding. We're going to do a charity event for your nonprofit, and I want you to create a combination mark for that charity event. It should be reflective of the color palette and the typography of your nonprofit logo design. It should also be reflective in the same style and color palette as the sub-brand that you created. So for like the Humane Society logo, the color palette that you chose for that logo is fair game along with the typography, and also the secondary color palette that you used for the sub-brand, which was a simple illustration of the Collier County building. And so you do have access to double color palettes and also the type, keeping in mind that the charity logo event should be reflective of the style and the overall look and feel of what we've created to date. The idea with a brand manual is that we stick with similar typography, we stick with similar color palette, and we make sure that the line work of the mark is consistent with the other applications. This is a combination mark, so I do want to see this charity event have a name along with a support graphic that follows in the same style as your brand and your sub-brand. That way, if we put the three pieces together, they have a similar look and a similar feel. Great job so far on the nonprofit designs. We've got the Humane Society, we've got a local church, we have the Young Professionals group of Lee County, so we've got a cross spectrum of nonprofits, everyone with their own unique style and delivery, and all three very successful so far. So good job, keep up the good work, make sure that you're through the first 3 chapters in your book, and make sure over the next week or so you complete the first 3 quizzes from your book. Good job, have a great week 5, and we'll keep on plugging along. Good job.